Hello my friends! Today I would like to introduce a side dish of Perilla seeds. As I mentioned in my other videos, Perilla is one of my favorite plants. I often use it for beverages and cooking. And furthermore, it is also a traditional medicine for cold in my family. The record of Perilla in the traditional Chinese medicine can be traced back to 2000 years ago. I hope in my coming videos I could introduce more to you. Today I'm going to cook a Japanese-style side dish. The Perilla flowers bloom from the bottom of the panicle to the top. When the purple flower on the top of the panicle falls, it is the best time to harvest it for this side dish. By the way, I also pick some mint to make mint tea and store it for the winter and the spring consumption. Those who are interested could check the previous video on how to make the mint tea. Oh, my kitchen is full of the fragrance of Perilla now. Surrounded by such an elegant fragrance, I feel very happy all day. This stem is also used medicinally in China. But when it is eaten, it is too hard. I will remove the stems and will use them in the bath at night. I like doing this simple work. It's one kind of healing for me. Soak the konbu, kelp, with water for 1 hour. Kelp is rich in glutamate, which makes you feel the umami, the good taste. Perilla has an astringent taste. We first need to boil it in boiling water for 1 minute to remove the astringent taste. Let's put them in cold water. Pour in the broth of kelp. Add soy sauce, mirin, the sweet wine, and then add sugar. Drain the Perilla seeds and put them in the pot. After boiling, simmer for 10 minutes on low heat and try to let it evaporate more water. This step will make it more delicious. I like to eat it with rice, and I often use this to make onigiri, the Japanese rice ball. Oh, it's delicious. You can feel the young seeds in your mouth. These Perilla seeds help to improve coughing and prevent cold. I hope you will also like it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.